Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to see who viewed your Snapchat story. It's really simple and easy. First of all, just open up the Snapchat application, then tap on your profile picture in the top left corner here. If you scroll down, you can see this add to my story. Just tap on it, and as you can see, I have now posted this on my story. And now you can see my public profile, and right in there under it is the story that I posted just now. I can tap that little eye at the bottom right and it shows me how many views I have got. If you scroll to the up, you can see your insights will appear once Snapchatter view this snap. It will show you your viewers, your followers, viewers, or your non-followers. If it is a public story, then potentially you will have some non-followers, people that don't follow your account but have still viewed your profile or that story. If you scroll down, you can see all of the friends that I currently have that seen that specific story. So you can see all of the information in this section here. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.